Hey YouTube, this is Ricky again with another review. Today we're gonna be reviewing the Xduuo MT-602. This is I ordered this a long time ago, like a month, and finally it arrived like a week ago. So we're gonna be reviewing it. But first I wanna thank everybody for your support. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And check out our giveaway at the end of this video. It's gonna be at the end of this video. Check it out so you get a chance to win. Yeah, so let's get started. Like I said, I ordered this like a month ago and it finally got here. This is the MT-602. They have a little brother that has only one tube, and that's the MT-601. Costs like maybe $20 cheap or something like that. I'll put it up on the screen. Yeah, but let's go to the build anyways. So it has the two tubes here. Volume, I like the volume up here. The red, it's red, it's fluid, it's very nice. Then you get your power on, power off. You get your 1/4 inch. You get your 3.5, and you get aux in if you want to just connect it instead of doing the RCA in the back. You can connect a 3.5 to 3.5 in there. It gives you that option. Then on the back you have your DC 12 volts. You have your RCA in and your RCA out. And that means that you can use it as a preamp and you can control it with the volume too. So yeah, and the build is aluminum. It's very nice. It gets a little bit warm, but it has all these perforations in the side and the top. So yeah, right now I'm touching it. It's not too hot, but it gets a little bit warm. So yeah, this is $99. You can find it on HiFi Go, or you can find it on Amazon. Same price, but like I said, they will take time to get here. So I'll probably better buy it from HiFi Go. I'm liking HiFi Go. They have a lot of stuff and the customer service is very good. So check them out, HiFi Go. So yeah, this is the Xduuo. They have like I said, they have a pretty much lineup of tube amps. They have the MT-601 that has only one tube. They have the TA20. But those are more expensive. Those are like $400. And they have the TA10R. So they have a bunch of tube amps. But this is $99. So yeah, let's go right into the tube amp. I ordered this because I wanted to have something in my lineup that's a little bit warmer. That can give me a little bit warm sound. And I ordered the Ocean Audio V2, and I ordered this one too. I don't have the Ocean anymore, but I'm ordering this thinking it's gonna be really warm, and I gotta tell you guys, it's not warm. The Ocean Audio is more warmer than this. And we're gonna be talking about that right now. These sound a little bit in the bass. It sounds a little bit smooth. It has a little bit of texture. Actually, in the mids, they have a little bit of texture too. Vocals sound very good in the mids. They sound clear, crisp. And going up to the highs and treble, they're a little bit bright. When I mean bright, it's literally bright. I was putting in here in the heresy, put in here, and almost I couldn't see the difference, hear the difference. So that's how bright and very a little bit neutral it is. So if you expect this to be warm, it's not warm. Like I said, it has a it's a little bit smooth. It has a little bit of texture on it, and it can smooth things up, but it's not very warm. It doesn't give you that classic. I know this is a hybrid. It's a hybrid amp, so it's both. It's solid state and tube amp. So it's a class A too. So I know it's a hybrid, but like I said, the Ocean Audio V8 V2, it was a hybrid too, and it was more warmer, and it had a little bit of that classic tubiness sound, that warm and sweet with a little bit of distortion in the sound. That had it, and this one doesn't have that kind of sound. So if you expect this to be warm, it's not. Like I said, it's also like a little bit right in the top end, so it can bother some people. You cannot use this with, you can, but it's not recommended to use it with IMs, especially if they're sensitive, because this thing has a lot of power. Yeah, this thing, they pull out 1.3 watts at 32 ohms. So if you put an IM here, once you start pulling this, it's gonna get very loud, and then they can damage your IM. So you gotta be careful. So yeah, these have a lot of power. These have 1.3 watts at 32 ohms. I test this with the Sondaras. No problem with the Sondaras. They drive them very fine. At 12 o'clock, I was like, okay, that's enough. So these have a lot of power. I also tested with the seals, harmonic dyne seals. They sound really good with the seals. Seals are a little bit warmer already, but since this is a little bit in the bright side, it was a good pairing. But the perfect pairing was with HD650s. With this one, they sound very good because the HD650 is warm, a little bit warmer too. So this pairing was like make for each other. They sound very good. They gave the HD650 a little bit of smoothness. It was smooth. In the highs, it was a little bit more clear. The sound was more clear and crisp. So I like how they sound with the HD650. It was the best pairing that I did. So yeah, if you have a 650, I recommend this amp. Or if you got the 6XX, it's a very good pairing too. But with the 650 was very good sound. Yeah. Do I recommend this for $99? Yeah, I do. They sound like I said, sometimes I was having problem when I was switching between the Heresy and these. They sound almost the same. This only has like a more smooth sound, has more texture, and but yeah, they sound very similar. The Magni has a little bit more power. They have 2.3 watts at 32 ohms. So that's other thing you gotta consider. And with the Magni, you can use IMs. With this one, I don't recommend IMs. These are like especially for headphones, and they can drive any headphones. Like I said, the power's there. You got it, Sennheisers, Bayers, but I don't recommend the Bayers because, like I said, they're a little bit brighter on the top. But any warm headphones like the 6XX, the Seals, any kind of warm headphones, these will sound very good with them. Because like I said, it will give you a little bit smooth sound, a little bit texture on it. So yeah, I recommend them for $99. These are really good for the price, and it will power anything. So yeah, I recommend this for $99. So yeah, this is it, people. Let me know what you think in the comments, and remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys into the next one. Bye bye.